It is a program to swap the values of two variables and demonstrate a function using call by reference. First, I'm taking hash include iostream. iostream is a header file which stands for an input-output stream. Next, I'm also taking another header file that is string. Then using namespace std. Using namespace std means all the functionalities in the standard library into a namespace called std. Next, I'm taking void. Void is function does not return a value. Then I'm creating function called swap. Then I'm taking data types as int and variable p, and one more variable I'm creating ampersand q. Here I'm taking one more variable that is temp and I'm assigning 0 to it. Next, swapping function will be done here. First, I'm assigning temp is equal to p, then p is equal to q, q is equal to temp. Then cout is used to display the output. I'm displaying p value, then I'm displaying q value. Next, main function. Then main function here I'm taking data type as integer and I'm taking two more variables that is a, and I'm assigning 20 to a and b, and I'm assigning 10 to b. Here I'm calling function swap and passing parameter a comma b. Then I'm running the program. So the output is like this: 20 and 10. Before swapping, the values are 20 and 10. After swapping, the values are 10 and 20. This is about the program. Now I'm going to explain you about the memory diagram. Here I'm taking int a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So a and b objects are created here, and a is assigned with 20 and b is assigned with 10. This is 1000 and 2000 are the memory address of this variable. Then I'm calling swap a comma b. I'm passing parameter a b here. It will directly come to swap function. There two variables are created, that is int ampersand p and ampersand q. Here ampersand p and ampersand q is the another name for the variable a and b. Then int temp is equal to 0. So one more variable that is temp is created here. First the value is 0. Then the swapping function will be done here. Temp is equal to p. P value is temp is equal to p. So p value is 20 here. Then p is equal to q. P is equal to p means a. That's 20 here. Then 10 here. This is about the memory diagram for the program.